Right now, insect videos are blowing up on YouTube. We're talking millions of views from simple, oddly satisfying clips that people just can't stop watching. Channels are growing fast using this strategy. And the crazy part? Most people still don't know how it's done. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral insect videos step by step using just one AI tool, Sorio AI. No switching between apps, no complicated setup. If you want to start getting massive views with this trend, make sure you watch till the end, because I'll break down everything you need to go viral. Now let's get started. Now, to create these viral insect videos, we're going to use one powerful tool, Sorio AI. This is easily one of the best AI tools right now for creating viral content fast without any complicated editing. To get started, click the link in the description and head over to Sorio AI. Then hit Get Started and create your account. Once you log in, you'll land on the Sorio dashboard. Inside, you'll find a wide range of trending, ready-to-use video templates that are already proven to go viral. These include popular niches like skeleton videos and other high-performing viral formats. But in this tutorial, we're focusing on one of the hottest trends right now, viral insect videos. This niche is exploding on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Once you click on the insect video niche, you'll be taken to the video creation interface inside Sorio AI. The first thing you'll see is the scene prompt section. This is where you describe your insect video idea and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. This is where the magic really starts. So go ahead and type in your idea. Once you've entered your idea, click on Generate Image Prompt. In just a few seconds, the AI will automatically create a highly detailed, optimized prompt designed to produce a viral quality image. This saves you time and helps you get better results, even if you're not experienced with prompt writing. After reviewing the generated prompt, and once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Continue with Image to move to the image section. This is where you generate your image. Click on Generate Image, and the AI will start creating your visual automatically. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Next, click on Create Video to move into the animation section. This is where your static image transforms into a fully animated viral AI video. Once the animation is complete, click on Next to proceed to the export section. Now hit Export Video, and your project will begin rendering. In just a few moments, your video will be fully processed and ready to use. After that, simply download it directly to your device, and your viral AI insect video is complete. Now let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI video creation tips.